Today we will continue the problems on differentiability. Okay, so differentiate cos of sin x with respect to x. Solution. Here consider y equal to cos of sin x, and we know that is if y equal to cos u, then differentiation of this function is dy by dx is equal to minus sin u into du by dx. So comparing those two equations, so comparing these two, we have in place of u we have sin x. So after differentiating, we get this one as dy by dx here with respect to x. So therefore dy by dx is equal to, here cos is there, so cos differentiation is minus sin. So minus sin, in place of sin x, in place of u we have sin x, so therefore sin x into d by dx of sin x, because we have here du by dx, so du by dx. So this implies minus sin of sin x into differentiation of sin x is, we know that is cos x. So therefore solution is minus cos x into sin of sin x. Okay, this is dy by dx. Okay, next example, consider differentiate. Next example, differentiate cos of 1 minus x, again with respect to x only. So solution, here consider y equal to cos of 1 minus x. Again we know that because it is cos u function, so we know that y equal to cos u, then dy by dx is minus sin u into du by dx. Comparing these two, again we have u equal to 1 minus x, so therefore this implies dy by dx is equal to cos differentiation is minus sin 1 minus x. In place of u we have 1 minus x, so therefore d by dx of 1 minus x. So this implies dy by dx is equal to minus sin of 1 minus x into differentiation of 1. 1 is differentiation of 1 is 0 because it is a constant, and differentiation of x, so minus is there, so minus. Differentiation of x is 1, so 1. So this implies minus sin of 1 minus x into minus 1. So minus into minus, so plus, so this implies that is 1 minus x, that is dy by dx. Differentiation of cos of 1 minus x is sin of 1 minus x. So this is our solution. So next example, differentiate tan of root x with respect to x. Tan of root x with respect to x. Solution. So here given is y equal to tan root x, and we know that if y equal to tan u, it is not a tanu, okay, it is a tan u. So then dy by dx equal to dy by dx is equal to tan differentiation is we know that secant square u into du by dx, secant square u into du by dx. So comparing these two, we have in place of u we have root x. So this implies, so dy by dx is equal to secant square root x into d by dx of root x, and also we know that root x differentiation is 1 by 2 root x. So this implies secant square root x into 1 by 2 root x. So this is our solution. That is dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 2 root x or secant square root x divided by 2 root x. Okay, don't cancel here root x because this is an angle, this is a value. Okay, write it down. So consider next example. Differentiate sin cube x with respect to x. So here given function is a sin function, that is given. Consider y equal to sin cube x, and we know that if y is equal to u to the power n, then differentiation of this function dy by dx is equal to n into u to the power n minus 1 into du by dx. Okay, we are comparing these two. In place of n we have 3, in place of u we have sin x. Here n equal to 3 and u equal to sin x. Then differentiation of this one, so this implies dy by dx is equal to 3 into n into u to the power n minus 1, u to the power n minus 1 sin to the power 3 minus 1, that is 2 sin square, 3 into sin square x. Okay, into d by dx of sin x, because here we have the function u equal to sin x. So this is equal to, that is dy by dx is equal to 3 into sin square x into differentiation of sin x is cos x. So this is the solution of the equation. Next example, consider differentiate cos to the power 6x, cos to the power 6x with respect to x. The solution of this example. Here y equal to cos to the power 6x, and we know that if y equal to cos u, then dy by dx is equal to minus sin u into du by dx. Comparing these two, we have in place of n we have 6, and also if also we know that y equal to u to the power n. We know that y is equal to u to the power n because it is a power. Okay, then differentiation of this one we have dy by dx is equal to n into u to the power n minus 1 into du by dx by using this formula. Okay, here n equal to 6 and u equal to cos x. Okay, so the differentiation of this one, so dy by dx is equal to n into u to the power n minus 1, that is 6 into cos x to the power 6 minus 1 is 5, so cos to the power 5 x into d by dx of cos x, because u equal to cos x. Differentiation of cos x is so minus, so 6 into cos to the power 5 x into minus sin x. Okay, or here this comes up as a dy by dx is equal to, here minus is there, so minus 6 cos to the power 5x into sin x. This is our solution. Write it down. So next example, differentiate f of x equal to 3x square plus 9x plus 5 whole to the power 9 with respect to x. Here we have given that is f of x equal to 3x square plus 9x plus 5 whole to the power 9. And also we know that function is equal to y. That is this is equal to y equal to 3x square plus 9x plus 5 whole to the power 9. And also we have formula, that is if y equal to u to the power n, then dy by dx equal to n into u to the power n minus 1 into du by dx. Okay, comparing these two, we have in place of u we have 3x square plus 9x plus 5. In place of n we have 9. So applying this formula, we get dy by dx is equal to 9 into 3x square plus 9x plus 5 whole to the power 8, because 9 minus 1 becomes 8 into d by dx of 3x square plus 9x plus 5, because du by dx here. So in place of u we have 3x square plus 9x plus 5. So this implies dy by dx is equal to 9 into 3x square plus 9x plus 5 whole to the power 8. This is as it is. Now differentiate this function. We get 3x square differentiation is 6x plus 9x differentiation is 9, because x differentiation is 1, so 9 into 1 9 plus constant is here, so therefore 0. The solution is 6x plus 9 here into 9 into 6x plus 9 into 3x square plus 9x plus 5 whole to the power 8. This is our required solution. So right